Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find your current location on Organic Maps. First, open the Organic Maps app. Once the app is open, look for the location icon on the map and tap on it. If this is your first time using the location feature, Organic Maps will ask you for permission to access your location. Tap on the option to allow location access. If you're taken to your device settings, open the location permissions for Organic Maps and allow the app to access your location. Once you've given the required permission, open Organic Maps again. Now tap on the location icon once more, and the map will automatically show your current location. You'll also be able to see the surrounding area on the map. If you want to use this area offline, you can download the map for your region so you can access it even without an internet connection. And that's how you can find your current location on Organic Maps. This video is made for educational purposes. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more useful app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.